It came in! It came in! It came in! It came in the mail! Check it out! Oh shit! Uh-oh. Are you okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. Are you okay? Well, I got a package. It came in the mail. I'm so excited. You want to see what it is? I want to see what it is. Let's do it! I'm so sorry I hit you, but let's move on past this, okay? I am Willie Vodka. I'm your favorite uncle you've never met from Creepy Hollow Haunted House here in Houston, Texas, H-Town. Hold it down! I have partnered up with Sclera Lenses this haunt season. And boy, oh boy, did this spoil me. So in this box, I got some goodies for you. Some goodies for you. Open. Oh. Open! I don't have anything sharp! Wait, hold on. I can't open it, but I found the perfect solution to open up the box. Give me 1 second, okay? Perfect solution to opening the box. You'll see. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna do it. What did they make this box out of? What the? Is this like real skin? Like human skin? It's so tough. I'm gonna get it. I promise. We got it! We got it open. Thank you, baby. I love you very, very much. So what do we have in this box from ScleraLenses.com? That's Sclera-lenses.com. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got bubble wrap. Oh yeah. This just turned into an ASMR video. Oh yeah. Listen. 6. But wait. I think there's more. Lucifer contact lenses from Sclera Lenses called UV white. These are all white out. I'm gonna take them out. I got these bad boys. So we got these. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, but Willie, you got 6 contact cases, but only 5 contacts. Well, hold on. I cheated. I apologize. The ones I'm wearing right now are from Sclera Lenses. These are the White Monster mini Sclera Lenses. But look how badass they look. Don't they look nice? They look very, very nice. Green Goblins from Sclera Lenses. You know, these are for when you're starting to feel like goblins. I'm just kidding. These are badass. Lucifer contact lenses line from ScleraLenses.com. Check them out. They packaged this. I can't even open them. I'm struggling with the little box. Next up, these are the Tokyo Ghoul 2. These actually look fucking dope. Look at that. Back to the bone, baby! Okay, I get it. You want your product to be safe. I get it. Oh, God. Woo! These are the glow whites. These are not glow in the dark. These are UV reactive whiteout contacts, mini scleras from Sclera Lenses. Oh, you see that? Huh? Hold on. Give me 1 second. Look at these bad boys. Look at these. Whoa. That's pretty bad to the bone, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty bad to the bone. The glow whites from Sclera Lenses. Next! Alright. These are the other whiteouts. These are the complete whiteouts. The other ones were partial. These are complete whiteouts. Oh, here we go. I'm just not having a good day opening stuff today. I'm just not. These are the complete whiteouts. But look how badass these are. These are mini scleras. They're also UV reactant. And they're just gonna be badass. Both of these are UV reacted mini scleras. Check them out. Do it! Next! Okay, so we're on the last pair of contacts, but look at my eyes. These are awesome. These are very, very mindful, very demure. These are gonna be interesting to wear. Not only because I've never seen scleras like this before, the full scleras, but because they're just interesting. These are very interesting. These are the Bleeding Zombie 2, 22 millimeters, from Sclera lenses. But look at this. They're clear, but they have that weird bloodshot around your eye type deal. Right, Sclera lenses, you spoiled it out of this clown. Thank you very much for your participation, your sponsorship. I am Willie Vodka, your favorite uncle you've never met from Creepy Hollow Haunted House. If you want contacts like mine, like all these that they sent me, you can go to scleralenses.com. Sclera-lenses.com. And you can use the discount code, the Willie Vodka, THEWILLYVODKA. You gotta look badass for this haunt season, don't you? Don't you? I'll see you guys next time. Bye!